All right, so we told you earlier in this bulletin about the arrest of opposition leader and presidential candidate on the FDC ticket. That's Dr. Kizza Besigye. That happened a little earlier this evening. He was at a house and he claimed that there was alleged vote rigging taking place there. These are the pictures of Dr. Kizza Besigye's arrest earlier this evening in Uganda. I want you to just listen in to what took place.
Can you come here, please?
I'm illegally here. How can I be illegally here?
Come and take him home. Put him in the vehicle. Get him, please.
Arrest me for what? And if you are arresting me, is my home a prison?
Where are you?
If you arrest me, why?
I'm taking you home.
I have my vehicle here. If you are taking me home, I can take myself.
No, you bring him. Push him inside. Close the door.
And it ended with Jay, opposition leader, being arrested and taken away by police.